Flames. Blue is an AI-powered platform designed to help users generate creative content faster, with a strong focus on automation and ease of use. In this review, we'll look at what Flames, Blue does, how it works, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. Flames, Blue is an AI tool that helps users create content such as text, ideas, and automated responses using artificial intelligence. It's built for creators, marketers, and anyone who wants faster results without complex setups. The main goal is simple: reduce manual work and speed up content creation. Getting started with Flames, Blue is straightforward. You create an account, log into the dashboard, and choose what type of content or task you want the AI to help with. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, so you don't need technical knowledge to use it. Flames, Blue offers AI-generated text, idea generation, and automation tools. You can customize prompts, adjust tone, and generate multiple variations quickly. Some plans also include advanced features like longer outputs, faster processing, and priority access. In real use, Flames, Blue delivers fast responses and generally solid quality. The results are good for drafts, inspiration, and automation, though final edits are still recommended for professional use. It works best as a productivity booster, not a replacement for human judgment. The biggest advantages are speed, simplicity, and accessibility. It's easy to use, doesn't require setup, and saves time. On the downside, advanced features may be locked behind paid plans, and the output quality depends heavily on how well you write prompts. Flames, Blue typically offers different plans, including free or trial options and paid tiers. Whether it's worth the price depends on how often you need AI-generated content and how much time it saves you. For frequent users, it can be a solid value. So, is Flames, Blue AI worth using in 2026? If you're looking for a simple, fast AI tool to boost productivity and generate ideas, it's a good option. It's not perfect, but for creators and marketers who value speed and convenience, Flames, Blue can be worth it.